In this video, I will show you how you can use 3D view on Apple Maps on any iPhone. Now first of all, just open Apple Maps and select a location. Now for example, I will select this location. Now to enable the 3D effect, just tap on 3D over here. Now after you do that, you will enable 3D view on Apple Maps. Now if you want to see the buildings, just tap on the map icon over here and select satellite. And by doing that, you will see the buildings on the street. Now if you want to improve the 3D effect, just swipe up with 2 fingers on the screen. Now after you do that, you will improve the 3D effect. And from here you can zoom in or zoom out by pinching on the screen. Just like that. Now to turn off the 3D effect, just tap on 2D over here. And this is how you can use Apple Maps in 3D view on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.